Adobe Photoshop is a registered trademark of Adobe Systems Incorporated, and I am in no way affiliated with Adobe.
Okay, so this tutorial we're actually going to be using this image, and we're going to be using a selection tool, whether it be lasso, polygonal lasso, or magnetic lasso, whatever you guys are more familiar with. I'm actually going to try to use the new quick selection. As you can see, I just selected right over here. It's just a little wand right above the magic wand tool. And this is new for Photoshop CS3, and I love the way it works. All you do is go into your image, and if you want to actually zoom in, you can hit Command or Control in a PC and hit your plus sign. And it'll just zoom in for you just a little bit. As you can see, I just zoomed in. All you have to do is basically click where you want the selection to be and hold and let go. As you can see, I selected his tongue. It's a clean selection, and it was a very simple selection. If you wanted to use your magnetic lasso or your other lassos, it would probably be really, really hard to do. Now that we've clicked, there's something called Refine Edge. As you can see, the Refine Edge where I clicked, and I'm not too sure if you even saw where I clicked, but it's way up here at the very top. Let me zoom in for you. Right here. I just click that. Zoom back out. And it's actually showing us what we actually clicked. And the way it's showing us is down over here on the dialog box that just popped up, the Refine Edge box. There's several different things to show you what it would look like on different backgrounds. So white, inverse, or black is what it would look like. I actually like to use this contract and expand and just bring it down just a little bit. That's to clean up the fractals. And then maybe boost the contrast just a little bit. Hit OK. Okay, so we know it's a clean selection now. And that's basically it for making the actual selection. And we're going to move on to the next part of the tutorial.